Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get bunny ears on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress as you can see. And then first of all, I'm going to go to this area. Okay, I'm gonna grab this one. Okay, and I'm going to change the toggle. You can choose bunny ears to get bunny ears on this hat. Okay, and this is how it looks. It's really cute, right? And then you can change the color. I'm just going to make it white. Okay, and this is the final result. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get bunny ears on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.